Welcome to an epic mountain adventure. Today, we're hiking from Engstligenalp to Chindbettipass, reaching an altitude of 2,623 meters in the breathtaking Swiss Alps. Get ready for stunning views, rugged trails, and an unforgettable 4.5-hour journey. Let's go!
We're bound for heights where eagles soar, through meadows green and streams galore. The trails are whispers of the land. We feel the earth beneath our hand. The mountains rise well past the skies, a canvas painted with a bright sunrise. The air is crisp and chill.
We're starting our hike at Engstligenalp, a beautiful alpine plateau surrounded by towering peaks. The trail begins with a gentle ascent, passing through lush meadows and small streams. The crisp mountain air and the sound of nature make this the perfect escape from daily life.
Nature's arms we find our rest, with every step and every mile, where heartbeats swaying in a smile.
As we gain elevation, the path becomes steeper and rockier. The views start to open up, revealing breathtaking panoramas of the Bernese Alps. This is where the real adventure begins. Look at those dramatic ridges and deep valleys. Pure Swiss beauty.
The soft grass cushions where we go. The summit calls with silent urge. Our spirits free, we start to search. No words need say this journey's worth. It's written deep within the earth. As daylight fades, the stars will guide. We'll find our way with hearts open wide. The journey's end is just a start, for here we found our mountain heart. Engstligenalp, we start our quest. In nature's arms we find our rest, with every step and every mile, where heartbeats.
We're now approaching Chindbettipass. Standing tall at 2,623 meters, the last stretch is challenging, but the reward is absolutely worth it. Just a few more steps, and we've made it. Wow! Just look at this view. Surrounded by majestic peaks and endless sky, this is a moment to truly take in and appreciate. The Swiss Alps never disappoint.
Dew on grass so bright, Engstligenalp in morning light. Mountains rise in greeting stance, whispering tales of sweet romance. Paths unknown and skies so wide, adventure calls with every stride. Streams that sing a gentle song, guiding us where we belong. Here in the meadow so green, worlds unseen, our hearts serene. Journey nature's beauty in this place. Look ahead, the journey calls, through the hills, over the falls. Steps we take with hope so clear, into the vista with no fear. Echoes dance on winds so high, underneath the open sky. Every step a memory found, as we walk on hallowed ground. Here in the meadow so green, worlds unseen, our hearts serene. Journey begins as we embrace nature's beauty in this place. Climbing high to touch the sky, where the eagle spreads its wings. Majestic peaks, they never lie. A song that nature sings, in a realm where silence speaks, and the clouds, they gently sigh. Cold air brushes against my cheeks, a kingdom in the sky. Oh, the Alps, they call my name in the golden morning light.
That was an amazing hike. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic mountain journeys. Where should we hike next? Let me know in the comments. See you on the next adventure.
An endless sea of snow, watching shadows softly chase the sun's warm, gentle glow. Every peak a whispered tale of times long past and gone. Here in nature's grandest vale, our hearts are really on. With each step